eastern Marion County in northeastern Texas. South central Cass County in northeastern Texas.
Serious? That's KBLZ.
The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Marion County in northeastern Texas, south central Cass County in northeastern Texas, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:21 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lodi, or 20 miles southwest of Atlanta, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
I don't know if I'm able to get that, but I'll try. Nope, I'm picking up the Monroe one. Great!
Settings, entries.
KMJJ's for lighting
Locations intended include Jefferson, Berea, Smithland, Lodi, and Hoot.
Wait a minute.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas, Cass, and Marion.